Good morning, everyone. I'm finally here in the morning. Today is May 16th, 2025. I have a calendar in front of me, so I was able to remember the date. Um, it's going to be a nice sunny day today, for a little while at least, and it's supposed to get partly cloudy, and then we're supposed to get more strong to severe storms this evening. About 6 o'clock this time, so not so late in the night. And then it's supposed to get cold. Cold enough where it's supposed to have a wintry mix, possibly Saturday night in the higher areas. We probably won't see it, but I'm gonna have to cover the garden for a couple nights, and then it looks to be back up in the 70s and 80s after that. So, but yeah, this month is flying. It's crazy. I think we're gonna do a Memorial Day party. I don't know. I gotta talk to everybody and see, you know. I don't know, it's just kind of quiet around here. Nobody wants to do anything anymore, so maybe those days are over, which is depressing to me, but something I gotta get used to. Everybody's just doing their own lives now. My allergies are bad again today because it's windy. So I'm just out in the shed here. I had to open it up and just had a sneezing fit. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I just opened the shed up to see if everything was okay. There is some minor flooding out back, so that has to get taken care of. But they're talking about heavy rain again today, so but yeah, I've been in this little bit of a funk about this whole thing. Just, it being so quiet and nobody around. I'm trying to shake it off, but it ain't happening right now. I wish I could hammock today. I just want to chill today. I cut some grass yesterday, but I'm gonna have to weed around the garden today. My cord is long enough where it should reach over there, and yeah, I kind of want to get that fence out of there so I could get close to the garden. We'll see. I doubt it. But yeah, so that's kind of what's happening as of now. And I have to go to the laundromat today and wash my bedding. I always go there to wash it because I can get everything in one load. And then it's done. And then, yeah. So that's kind of today's agenda so far. I don't know what the evening is going to bring with the storms, but I'm going to cook those. I found some I want to do some I want something on the grill and I don't know what. I was going to do a hamburger helper today, but it looks like it's going to be another nice day. Maybe I'll do burgers on the grill. That sounds really good. I don't know, I like a good burger. And I gotta use up that hamburger. But yeah, so we are, so that's what today's consisting of. I don't think I have anything else to say, so I will see you all later. Hi everyone. So we're currently in a thunderstorm right now. We got some more storms coming in. Some nasty weather coming in. The weather alarm is going off. I was at the laundromat getting ready to do laundry and I just had this anxious feeling in my gut. Well, now I know why. I guess I can tell when storms are coming now. Oh God, here we go. Welcome back, y'all. It is after 4 now. It is 4:16. I am just out here sitting on the deck, cooking the potatoes, the foil potatoes, to go with my steak. It's thundering in the distance again. Hopefully it stays away so I can at least cook. But I feel rain already. Why? Here is the potatoes. They're cooking. And it's starting to rain again. Hi, welcome back. So I'm vlogging. I'm under the umbrella here waiting. It's definitely a storming out here. Ooh. As you can hear, nothing like grilling in the storm. Oh God. I'm gonna get some footage of the clouds. Starting to get pretty windy.
Oh yeah.
Oh dear. Pausing the video here. So in this moment, a huge gust of wind came, grabbed a hold of the umbrella, and it flew away. I felt like Mary Poppins for like a minute. So roll the footage. Whoa! Ah!
Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh fuck!
Not like Mary Poppins.
Okay, you gotta get that doll in here.
Whoa, girl! Whoa, Bessie!
Yeah, that thing wasn't tight enough down there. Oh, my arm.
My umbrella just blew away, guys.
No, you gotta tighten it. Okay, wait, that's not there. Okay, now it is, but it's like, whoa, shit.
All of a sudden, it's getting super windy.
Okay, I gotta,
Like really windy.
I'll put this right in here.
Oh boy, yeah. My umbrella just went whoosh. Well, I'm gonna burn the steaks. Wow, that was a lot. All of a sudden, it got super gusty. Welcome back, y'all. So I just finished dinner, loaded the dishwasher. Now I'm sitting on the back with my little lights, just kind of chilling. Now I'm listening to the storm. Weird gray squirrel. I think he's gone rabid. Cause it's just lunatic. I hope it doesn't have the rabies. I don't want to get bit by it either. But yeah, so this evening is just kind of relaxing now. I went to the laundromat, washed everything. I didn't dry things there. There was these creepy men there, and I just was uncomfortable. So I hurried up, washed my clothes, and then came back home and dried everything. There it is again. I don't know. It doesn't know what it wants. It's like me. But yeah, so I'm just sitting out on the back porch here. I need to stop rocking. But yeah, it's a chilly night. Well, it's getting kind of cool. But yeah, I made some of the bed. The other half of it's drying now, and then I'm gonna shower. And I think we're FaceTiming tonight. So Monday I got a call for work and talk to these people. I got a little bit more information, so that should help me. But yeah, so it's just gonna be kind of a calm weekend. I was hoping that it would be nice not raining at least, so I could, sit by maybe a wood fire or something. But no, it's supposed to be an icky, rainy, blah weekend, so I'll have to get some other things done, I suppose. But yeah, I wasn't expecting the storms to pop up like they did. It was supposed to be after supper time, and they just started coming, and we have more coming later on tonight. So I think with that being said, now I'm going to end the vlog here for today. Oh, I did get some gardening done. So before I end the vlog, I'm going to show you. I got tomatoes, I got cucumbers. I mean, stuff is growing. Plus I got the seeds, so we'll see what happens. We may have a whole slew of everything. But so yeah, I got a lot of work done in the garden today. I repaired the little storage house thing for all my supplies, and I got some nice flower pots for the front. I still got to go get more, but I'm going to wait till this cool weather passes by, and then we'll go and get some more. But yeah, so I'm not going to show you the garden tonight because it is raining now. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and I hope everybody has a good night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.